Hello and welcome to your quadricep variation fascial freedom tutorial. Again, we're going to be using the PVC piping with this one. If you've got a roller, it's completely fine. What we're going to be looking at now is hitting a little bit more of the outer portion of the quadricep on a bit of a 45-degree angle. Now, most of you are going to find that higher up the leg might be a bit more restricted, but let's think of that entire line. So a little bit of self-discovery to work out where is the most restricted spots. So we're going to be starting, you can actually start on the front and then we're going to work our way to the side. So what we're going to do here is we're going to work on M's outer left quad. So she's just going to gently roll open so that it moves from the center of the quad to that outer part. And that's going to be a little bit more brutal. A lot of people find it's going to be a lot more dense through there. Same deal, find it first of all and relax. And then introduce some very small movements. It can be directly up and down, or it can be forwards and backwards as well. So it's just a slightly different variation or a different site for you to work on. Everyone's different. So as you go through this Fascial Freedom program, you're gonna really start to identify what areas are the most dehydrated and stuck. This is what we're gonna be using to break it open. So that's just a different variation. Again, set a timer, take your time, breathe through your nose. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video tutorial.